Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to consolidate data in WPS spreadsheet. So how you see, we have here two columns with names and points. We have here data for each month in January, February, March, and here on the sum sheet we will insert the consolidate result. So now I go here to sum sheet and I select here the first cell. Then I need to go to data tab and click on consolidate. Then I need to select one from available functions. Of course, here we want to sum the number of points for each person. So I select here sum and I need to add here references. So I click on this one option. I go to January. I select all cells here, which I want to consolidate. Then I click on this one option and I click add. Now again, I click on this one option. I go to February sheet and here I select another data range. Again, I click on this one option, I click add button and I click on this icon one more time because we need to add here the data from the merge sheet. And I select here this one data range, I click on this one icon and I click add. Okay, so we have added here all three references with January, February and March data. Okay, and here we need to check this option top row and left column, and after that I click OK button. So how you see, data has been successfully consolidated in this sheet. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.